In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a ticket in Zendesk support on desktop. We'll guide you through the process step by step, while offering some useful tips to ensure your replies are both clear and effective. First things first, open up your Zendesk instance. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your customer support tickets. You'll want to navigate to the view that displays the ticket you're looking to respond to. It's important to have an organized view where you can easily find the ticket that needs your attention. Once you have located the ticket, click on it to access its details. This opens up the ticket interface, an area where you'll be doing all of your interactions. Here, you'll notice the comment field, which presents two main types of interactions: public reply and internal note. The public reply, also known as a public comment or public response, is what your customer, the requester, will see. Therefore, when crafting your message to the customer, this is the option you'll choose. On the other hand, if you need to leave a message that's meant only for your internal team, you'd opt for the internal note. Let's now focus on selecting the public reply option. This is perfect if you're aiming to write directly to the customer. In the comment box that appears, start crafting your message. Keep in mind, clarity and professionalism go a long way here. You also have formatting tools at your disposal, such as bold, italics, and lists, which help to structure your message, making it easier for the customer to read and understand. If there are any supporting files that will aid in resolving the issue, you can attach them here as well. Before hitting send, take a moment to review the ticket status and assignee. This is crucial as you want to make sure the ticket is appropriately assigned, either to you or your respective team. Additionally, check that the status reflects the current situation, such as marking it as open or pending customer response. This ensures everyone, both your team and the customer, are on the same page. Satisfied with your response? Great, it's time to click Submit, or choose Submit, as followed by the specific status. This action will send an email notification to the requester, if configured, and simultaneously update the ticket status. Once the reply is sent, it's important to stay proactive. Monitor the response from the customer and be ready to update the ticket as needed. This back and forth will continue until the issue is fully resolved to everyone's satisfaction. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be able to efficiently manage and respond to tickets in Zendesk, ensuring a smooth and successful customer support experience.